Welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to easily use the caps for the large water bottles, and that there is an easy solution. So often if you want to purchase this 5-gallon water bottles, they typically cost you $15 to $16. So one possible alternative is that if you go to Kroger and you can buy these 4-gallon water bottles. See, this is 4-gallon water bottle, Kroger purified water. This is for $4.99. And then you can purchase these caps, right, on Amazon. These are pretty cheap. So for $8-9, you'll get like 30 caps or so. And I'll show you how to reuse these, caps. So first of all, the Kroger a cap automatically comes for this. So the cap originally looks something like this, and there'll be a little flap over there. And then the trick is that you do not remove the track all the way up to over here. You just let it hanging, and then later when you have to open it, all you do is that you so see, this flap is open up to this point. So this is still stuck to the main body of the cap up to this side. So that allows you to hold this and kind of pull a little bit. So see, now this is off. So now the only problem is that so this is sealed, right? So you can use the same cap whenever you go to Walmart or Kroger to get it refilled, because this is kind of will seal the this open end of this bottle nicely, so your water will not spill. But now if you have a kind of water dispenser, it will not fit through it, because then you have to pull this off and you have to open this so that now this pipe can go through this and you will get the water from the water bottle, but then you cannot reuse this one to seal, right? So for that solution, what you can do is that you can purchase these caps from Amazon. So this is a non-spill cap. So far I'm using the original cap that comes with the Kroger water bottle, but if I wanted, I could have used this one. So all you have to do is you have to just put it on top of that, and you have to just press a little bit, and you'll hear the click sign. The meaning of that is that it is kind of snugly fit, and then you can use your water dispenser on top of that. So I'm showing you two variety. One variety is that where you have this, this is already, if you put it on top of this, it will completely be sealed, so water will not leak. Is you can put it this flap off, and then on the other side you'll see kind of a nice it's kind of another cap type thing. So you can take that cap off, so then it will look something like this. So all I have done between these two is that I have taken this off, and this bottle I've removed. So now there is a hole, and through this hole you can use your pipe for the water dispenser. So let me just show you how this fits into this new bottle. So let me try this. So you'll see, just wait for it. You'll see a click here, right? So let me just put it. If you just put it, it will fit nicely, but then you have to press a little bit and you'll hear a sound. There you go. So that sound, now it is kind of fit, right? So now you can use your water dispenser on top of this. So it fits nicely. You have to just press a little bit, right? And then let me get a cup, and then if you just press it, you can get your water, right? Just stop it. That's all. It's so easy. All right, so let me keep it over here. All right, so let me remove this. So now let's say you are using this, and I want to remove this cap again, and I want to put a sealant cap, right, which is seals the water. So then now you basically see there is a flap over there. So you just pull this flap just a little bit. So this is now, see, the flap is open up to this point. At this point, you just press it upwards, right? So now the flap came off, right? Now again, if you want to put the original Kroger cap, which is kind of sealant, you can simply put it once again. Just press a little bit, and that's it. So now it's again, it's completely seals off, so the water will not spill anymore, and then again you can use it. So it's kind of a cheaper alternative as opposed to buying the 5-gallon water bottles. You can buy this 4-gallon water bottle for $4.99 Kroger. So I mean the water bottle in the sense these are not empty. It comes with purified water. Use the water, and then once it is empty again, you can buy this. From Amazon, you can buy these caps, and you can sort of reuse those caps as long as you want. Okay? All right. Hope this is useful, and thank you for watching.